Hey guys, it's me, Alex. I'm back. This time I'm doing a review on a John Deere GX 75. It's a good John Deere. It's a 1995 riding mower made by John Deere. It's a good motor. It's a good mower. Sorry. I got two new front tires because the other ones had bad tread and they were basically they didn't hold air. Here's the other one, nice and sturdy. Also, well, you can see the seat. Seat's the same. I gotta get a new seat. I'll get it next summer. Got a nice new battery, and I put a zip tie on the seat safety switch so I can start this so it stays running when I'm off of it. And the neutral safety switch, something was going wrong with it, so the key wouldn't start. It wouldn't start up. So I put in a push button start. And it starts up every time. Yeah, it starts up every time. Still got the same shifter, neutral, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Lever to engage the blade to cut the grass. Still got the same steering wheel, same pedals, same lever to lower it. And raise it. Throttle, gas. Still got nice. I got a half tank of gas. And this panel was coming off. So I put zip ties here and here to hold it on. Replaced the fuel filter. Still got the same engine. Goes only like 5 miles an hour, but I'm fine with it. Got nice big dual bags. Yeah, for cutting this much yard. A lot. So they do the trick. You get the point. Nice pipe. It's not clogged at all. It's nice and clean. Washed this earlier. And these still work. And still got clean fuel. Everything works nice. Still gotta clean out the undercarriage. And in there. Got new spark plugs. I cleaned out the fuel filter. Over here. Clean that out. I cleaned out the fuel filter because it sat for a long time and then it wouldn't start. Emergency brake still works. And we'll take it for a ride. I'll show you. Here's the key. Turn it on position and start it up. And here we go. Nice ride around my development. Nice and good. And if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, right? Have a nice day. See you guys.